Have you ever noticed this? Two aspirants start their preparation at the same time, but after a few months, one of them improves very fast and the other stays at the same level. Why does this happen? Why some aspirants improve faster than others? Because once you understand this, you will start seeing your preparation in a different way. Now, let me tell you one simple truth. Improvement does not depend on how long you study. It depends on how you approach your preparation. Point number one is they learn from their mistakes. Aspirants who improve fast do one thing differently. They learn from their mistakes. If they make a mistake in a test, they don't just check the answer and move on. They pause. They think, why did I get this wrong? Most aspirants don't do this. They look at the correct answer and then forget the question. Point two is they don't repeat the same mistakes. Fast improving aspirants don't repeat the same mistakes again and again. Slow improving aspirants do. Every test, same type of mistakes. This is not a knowledge problem, rather, this is an awareness problem. Point three is they stay focused on basics. They don't try to do everything at once. They focus on basic things: understanding, clarity, revision. They don't jump from one topic to another very quickly. Point four, they are patient. Improvement takes time, but fast learners understand this. They don't expect results in 1 week. They don't panic if one test goes badly. They stay calm and continue working. Point five, they don't compare constantly. Most aspirants keep comparing. Others are ahead, others are doing better. Fast improving aspirants don't waste energy like this. They focus on one thing. Am I improving compared to myself? Point six, they think while studying. They don't just read, they think. They ask simple questions in their mind. Do I really understand this? Can I explain this in my own words? This small habit makes a big difference. Point seven, they stay consistent. They don't study in bursts. They don't do 12 hours one day and then nothing for the next 2 days. They keep a steady pace. Even if the progress is slow, they keep moving. Point 8, they accept their weaknesses. Fast improving aspirants don't ignore weak areas. They don't say, I will do this later. They face it because they know ignored weaknesses become bigger problems later. Point 9, they keep their preparation simple. They don't complicate things. They don't keep changing books, notes, approach. They keep things simple and stable, and that helps them improve faster. Point 10, they take responsibility. Most importantly, they take responsibility. If they are not improving, they don't blame the paper, the coaching, the difficulty level. They ask, what should I change? Let me tell you something very clearly. Fast improvement is not magic. It is the result of small habits done correctly. And these habits are in your control. If you feel that you are not improving, don't get frustrated. Don't think that you are not capable. Just check, are you preparing in the right way? Because in the end, UPSC is not about who starts strong. It is about who keeps improving. Small improvements done consistently create big results. If this made you think, share it with someone who is preparing seriously.